In this video, I'll show you how to finish the penguin wing. Here I have completed rounds 1, 2, and 3. So I did 8 single crochet stitches for round 3, which is why I've now wound up back at the stitch marker. So I'm going to put my hands back in crocheting position and discard the stitch marker. Now we are going to do a slip stitch in the stitch that the stitch marker was in. So that means inserting your hook under that stitch, yarning over, and pulling the yarn through all of the loops, including the one that was on your hook. So now you only have one loop on your hook. And next we're going to do a chain stitch, so that's yarning over and pulling the yarn through the loop that's on your hook. And now we need to flatten the wing, and we're going to single crochet the top of the wing together to make it flat. And to do that, we're going to squish two sides of the wing together, and you're going to keep the chain that you just made over on the right side of the wing. Because the goal is we're going to single crochet together stitches 1 and 8, 2 and 7, 3 and 6, and then 4 and 5. So to make sure that you are properly oriented, I would recommend counting your stitches. So let's do that really quick. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. So that means to single crochet together stitches 1 and 8, we need to put our hook under those two. So here we have it. And now, like a regular single crochet, we're going to yarn over and pull it through the stitches that we just put the hook under, so that we have 2 loops on the hook. Then we're going to yarn over again and then pull it through both loops on the hook. So we just single crochet together stitches 1 and 8. Now let's do the same thing for 2 and 7. So put the hook under stitches 2 and 7, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over again, and pull it through again. Now let's do it for stitches 3 and 6. Oh, got snagged on something, no worries. Just take the hook out and try again. So here's single crocheting stitches 3 and 6. And now 4 and 5. The last step is to fasten off, which is just yarning over, pulling the yarn through, and then cutting a yarn tail that's at least 6 inches long, so that you can use that to sew the wing on. So you'll just keep on pulling the yarn until you have a knot.